Fiona doing today?
Let's have Bordy draw a bird for us today.
That's a great idea. Let's go to Bordy the board.
To the board!
To the board. To the magical Bordy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Imagination comes alive.
Hello, Fred and Fiona. What would you like me to draw today?
I have an idea. Bordy, can you draw a bird?
That's not a bird. A bird has wings. That's a cow. Let's try again.
Oh, that's not a bird either. That's an airplane.
How do you know?
Because birds are animals that say tweet, tweet.
I think we can get a bird now. Are you ready, Fred?
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3,
Go! A bird!
Oh, what joy! Oh, what a sight! We were together and got it right! Whee!
Hey, Fiona, what's wrong? You look sad.
It's a nice bird, but it doesn't have a home. I want to see where birds live.
Oh, wait, I know.
A bird on a refrigerator? Birds don't live on refrigerators.
A bird in a shoebox? That's not right.
I think we can get it right this time. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3,
Go!
oh, what joy! Oh, what a sight! We were together and got it right!
Oh no, the bird is gone.
That's okay. Bordy can help us find the bird again.
First, we saw a bird on a refrigerator. But that's not right. Birds don't live on refrigerators.
Then we saw a bird in a shoebox, but that wasn't right. Birds don't live in shoeboxes. Shoes go in shoeboxes. A bird in a shoebox.
That's funny.
That's funny.
But we finally got it right. Birds live in nests that they build themselves. Very good, Fiona.
Thank you, Fred. Not too bad yourself.
Goodbye, Fred and Fiona. See you next time.